guys, I am going live for you today for this is actually day 2 of the viral content for social media, right? This is AI for viral content. This is day 2, right? And okay, I'm getting a tiny bit of echo from this stream, so I might have to just double check the recording is working. But here is what I am here to share with you today, right, guys? So I'm here to okay. Yep, I think we're still getting a tiny I can fix this for you guys so there's no echo. Excellent. So with regards to what I'm here to help you to do, it is to create more direction and purpose in your content so that you can create your best performing viral content, right? So today, what I'm recommending based on the planner and what I'm helping you with is to build a weekly campaign for your content, right? Choose that specific piece of content that you want to create and to really get started. So rather than thinking just what should I post, it's about being more intentional and thinking what buyer belief do you want to change or influence in your content this specific week, right? And here is another key question I want you to ask yourself, which is audience clarity, right? So who is your ideal audience? Who's your buyer? What are they struggling with? What do you think their problems are? What's their top problem that you can help them with in a piece of content? What is the real problem, right? What do they think the problem is? What is the real problem? And what outcome does your ideal buyer want? And what offer helps them achieve it? This is about your audience and offer clarity to create your content, right? So we always want to be intentional about the content that we create and the action that is coming from it, right? So that your content really connects to your ideal client. Okay, so what is it that successful founders in their content are doing differently? I think they're thinking like business owners, right? Number one. So, what is this piece of content doing? And they are going to, rather than constantly create, right? They're going to create intentional content journeys, which are about specific things. So, whether it's creating awareness, building authority of your business, increasing buyer certainty, generating conversations, right? So this is about creating buyer journeys. And another important thing is that I believe that successful founders are measuring their performance in terms of their social media, and then they're using AI like a strategic partner as well, right? So again, thinking about based on the customer data and calls they might be having, what is it that they can specifically create content on? And this will really help you if you start to think about your content in this way. Next, I believe that successful founders, and I can share what I'm doing, right, to create better content, right? So this, I'm going to share with you now a key platform, which I leverage in order to create better content. And that is the Opus Clips platform, right? So Opus Clips is a great platform where you can do AI video editing. So you can edit your videos, you can repurpose your videos, make them shorter. With AI, it does it for you, right? You don't need technical expertise. The other thing you can do in here is you can create content. You can see you can add captions, of course, you can add B-roll, which is so helpful. So if you are struggling to actually edit the content and you don't have the budget for a video editor, this could be a great option for you. And then lastly as well, you can turn long form content, so longer content, into short content in a tool like this. And like I say, there are other ones. I like this one, but you can use whichever one, of course, you like, and always try out whichever platform you want to test, right? The other thing I like about Opus Clips is that it gives an actual score. to your content, right? Out of 100 for the hook, the flow, the value, and the trend, right? So this is really helpful. It's giving you that sense of a score. So I think this is excellent, right? So this is just a quick live to inspire you on day 2 and to create more intentional content. I'll be going live every single day to help more people to create better content which performs better in terms of engagement, likes, shares, and the key metrics that help you to build a following and attract the right audience, which will really help to progress your business and content. So that is my intention here, and I'm going to leave you with with a key question, which is, what content are you creating today? What is the best piece of content that you can create, and why are you planning to create it, right? Why is it going to help your audience? And of course, make sure that you inspire someone else as well. So you want to, in any piece of content, right, be sure that you're inspiring at least one person every single day with the content that you put out there. So happy creating today. It's day 2, and if you're in my challenge, you will know, right, you'll have the resources for day 2 and your workbook, of course. If you'd like to join the challenge and you want to get involved, comment with the word viral below and I will send you an invite to join this completely free WhatsApp challenge. With that, I wish you an amazing day, and I look forward to helping you with your social media content and using AI to create more viral and high performing content. Thank you so much.